In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Jotform QR code. Transforming your Jotform into a QR code can be a game changer, whether you want to streamline form access or distribute it widely to an audience. It's a simple way to make your forms more accessible, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by logging in to your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Choose the form you want to generate a QR code for and click on it. If you want to make any edits before proceeding, you can do so by clicking Edit Form. This option lets you tweak your form to perfection, ensuring it's exactly how you want it before sharing it with others. After you've finalized any changes, look to the top of the form builder. You'll see a tab labeled Publish. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Under the Quick Share section, you'll notice an option for QR codes. Clicking on this will prompt Jotform to automatically generate a QR code linked directly to your form. It's a seamless way to create a direct connection between your offline and online content, allowing anyone with a smartphone to easily access your form. Now that you have your QR code, the next step is to download it for use. Simply click the Download button to save this QR code as an image file. This file can be embedded into various forms of media, allowing for versatile sharing. Whether you're incorporating it into print materials, using it in presentations, or adding it to digital posts, the QR code enhances your distribution strategy. The beauty of using a QR code is its accessibility. Anyone can scan it with their smartphone and immediately be directed to your form, which is perfect for people on the go or those who prefer quick access without having to type in a lengthy URL. Furthermore, it's a fantastic way to encourage interaction and participation, especially in environments like conferences, events, or exhibitions. And there you have it, a straightforward method to convert any Jotform into a QR code, making access to your forms as easy as scanning with a phone. With this tool, you extend the reach of your forms and ensure you're meeting your audience where they are. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy Jotforming!